Sometimes you just get tired of eating the regular traditional spaghetti in tomato sauce and you just want to spice things up a little bit. I'm talking about myself. I made this chicken spaghetti stir fry and my family really enjoyed it. It's very easy to make and it's super delicious. My name is Wonola. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For ingredients, you'll be needing chicken or any kind of protein of your choice. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe and I already cut it into strips. 1 medium red onion chopped, spring onions, bell peppers. I'm using red and yellow bell peppers because I could not get the green bell peppers. So I'm just going to use the yellow and red bell peppers like that. You can also add green bell peppers if you have. Carrots, hot dogs. You can skip the hot dogs, but I just want to use it for this recipe. So let's get cooking. To begin with, you need to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any kind of cooking oil of your choice and saute the chopped onions for about 3 minutes. Next, you add the chicken breast and you season it. I'm seasoning mine with chicken seasoning, salt, curry powder, thyme, white pepper, ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to stir all of that together and keep stir frying it until it gets cooked. While the chicken is cooking, I'll add the spaghetti to a pot of boiling water, add some salt to it, and let it cook for 10 minutes according to my spaghetti instruction. The chicken is cooked now and I'm going to take it from the pot and set it aside. I'm also going to use the same oil to stir fry my remaining vegetables. Now I'm going to saute the remaining chopped onions for about 3 minutes. Then add the bell peppers, the carrots, the hot dogs, spring onions, and mix everything together. To season the vegetables, I'm using a cube of chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. I'll combine everything together and continue stir frying my vegetables. At this point, my spaghetti is ready and I'll quickly drain it and set it aside and continue stir frying my vegetables. Next, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to the vegetables and I'll continue stir frying until they get soft or until they get cooked. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification because there are more recipes coming and you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that may be needing this recipe. At this point, the vegetables are cooked and I'm going to bring back the chicken and combine everything together again. This recipe is super easy and it's super delicious, trust me on this. I feel like everybody can make a spaghetti stir fry for a quick lunch or a quick dinner. I made this stir fry in like 30 minutes and we had it for dinner. The only thing is you need to be in the kitchen while you prepare the stir fry to avoid it from getting burnt. I'll also advise that you cut all the vegetables that you want to use before it starts cooking so you can have everything ready. The vegetables and chicken are well combined. Then I added the spaghetti and I'm going to mix everything together and stir fry for about 3 more minutes. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Nola Cooks if you recreate this recipe or any of my recipes. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.